Hello everyone, in this video we're going to talk about best SEO techniques 2023. If you're interested, keep on watching. And before we start, please hit that like button and share this video so we could reach more people. And let's get started. Increasing organic traffic is one of the core objectives of leading online businesses. That's why brands worldwide strive to rank at the top among search engine recommendations on targeted queries. However, making this dream a reality is easier said than done. Search engine optimization, or SEO, plays a major role here, as it enables you to climb the search engine results page, or SERPs, and increase your site's visibility to generate more traffic. So we'll give you best practices that can help you stand out from your competition in the age of content overload. Starting off with number 1, identify the right keywords. Keywords are super important for SEO. Identifying the ones that best represents your niche and creating content around them fuels your search engine ranking and enables you to attract a relevant audience. A common mistake made by businesses when getting started is that they target high-volume keywords and disregard whether or not the targeted queries align with what they offer. This is a recipe for disaster, as they miss the opportunity of building an authority on keywords that best represents their solutions, thus attracting jump traffic to their site. Keyword selection demands careful consideration, so I highly recommend keeping your niche at the center when doing the research. Moving on to number 2, create relevant content. To increase your organic traffic, it's essential that the content you produce is informative and highly relevant to your audience. Search engines prefer content that caters to the topical depth and facilitates easy access to information. To ensure that the content you create helps people find answers to their questions and effortlessly explore the solutions they're looking for. Creating content that addresses the queries of your audience in great detail will give you a much-needed boost in rankings and enable you to surpass your competition. Moving on to number 3, optimize page titles and descriptions. To climb the search engine rankings, it's important that you optimize your page title and description as per the targeted keywords and intent. Your page title and descriptions give a brief overview of your page to search engines and quick insight into page contents to your audience, as they are the first things users see. They should be spot on to catch the eye of visitors. Ideally, try to keep your page title to 50 to 60 characters, spaces included, and your description around 150 to 160. This allows you to optimize the text for all devices, be they desktop or mobile. Number 4, optimize images. We often neglect the importance of images when creating our pages. If you optimize them well, you can leverage image search and attract more visitors through it. There are a few best practices that you need to follow here. First, add suitable titles to your images and use targeted keywords. Next, use alt text to describe your images. Refrain from using crowded pictures. Use high-resolution images, but be mindful of image size. Image optimization not only helps you convey your message in an interactive way, but also enables you to get more traction organically. Lastly, build quality backlinks. Earning backlinks from reputable sites is very important when it comes to SEO. Backlinks helps you build authority in your respective niche and improve your search engine rankings on intended keywords. But you have to be mindful of a few things here. Discourage links built via spamming. Avoid sponsored links, and make sure the backlinks aren't from topical irrelevant sites. Avoid backlinks from non-indexed sites, and ensure backlinks aren't built using the same anchor that the page targets as a keyword. In short, try to avoid toxic links at all costs. They do more harm than good for your SEO. Be certain that all your backlinks are of high quality to score better search engine rankings. These tips can help improve your SEO, but I recommend following all of them. Best practices are effective ways to increase your site's visitors without you having to break the bank. And there you have it, Best SEO Techniques 2023. I hope you find this video helpful, and if it did, please go ahead and subscribe to our channel. and click on the notification bell so you'll be updated on our daily videos. And before this video ends, did you know that you can build high productivity teams with modern workforce analytics and tracking? Yes, just by using DoTeam, a time and productivity tracker that helps your team members deliver the best every day. Take your team to its full productivity levels with DoTeam. Build your success with teams that execute better. You can do employee monitoring, product and task tracking, detailed reports, and accurate timesheets. With DoTeam, you get amazing features like time tracking, where you can track your employees' computer activity, website usage, and app usage with screenshots. Project and task tracking. Get to know the time spent on tasks. Responsible tracking and monitoring. Tracking is done with full disclosure to all stakeholders. And you have an amazing admin area with detailed reporting and analytics, and with 24 hours customer support. So what are you waiting for? Try DoTeam now. Just go to getdoteam.in. And that is it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.